Surya. I'm from 7th class. Today I am going to introduce the fire alarm which I did for the science exhibition. We can reduce the fire accidents with it. More fire accidents are taking place in factories, godows and etc. The people were losing their jobs and lives. To reduce that, I created this. Let us listen.